Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Rita's DIY for hair growth. I am back again. I've been away for too long, I understand, sorry. Before I'll come and do DIY, I need to try the things on my hair for 2 weeks, 3 weeks before, or even a month before I know what I'm doing. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to use fenugreek seed for massive hair growth. Guys, you would not believe what I have seen, the benefit on my hair. Fenugreek seed is rich in vitamin A, K, C, and folic acid, which help in reversing hair damage. It is amazing sauce, okay, that can help in any issue of your scalp rotation. It helps dandruff and also hair loss. If you have problem, please stay tuned with this video, like, subscribe, and press the bell for more video. Okay, let's start. Now, you will need castor oil, vitamin E. I'm using the black mold vitamin E. You will need 2. So that's what I'm showing there. You need peppermint. Peppermint is another powerful in every DIY that you make in your house. Don't forget to put peppermint, rosemary, the powerful, and almond oil. You need a bottle, you need a glass, you need a bottle just to put it in and spray. And this is almond oil I'm talking about. So now firstly, you're gonna take 2 to 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seed. You're gonna put it in your glass bottle, because the reason why you use glass bottle is also to make it pure and not damaged. All right, now you're gonna use 100 ml of hot water. I'm talking about hot water, not warm. Very, very hot water. You're gonna put it in and then you're gonna mix it. Take your time and mix it about 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Take your time. If you don't do it right, you're not gonna get the result of your hair. We all know natural hair is very hard to keep, so you need things that will grow it and have strong and smooth. So guys, after that, it's hot, so I'm using the red, you know what I mean. It's very hot. So you're gonna shake it 1 or 2, just turn it around so you get all the ingredients, the vitamin from this powerful fenugreek seed. Oh, I'm so happy. That's why I'm here to share. So after that, just store it in a cool place. So I put it in my laundry, the cupboard, and I'm gonna leave it for 2 days, guys. 2 days. And the 2 days has reached. Oh, have you seen how the seed before it was little, but now look how it look puff. Yeah, all the vitamins, the powerful ingredients inside is out. Ooh, I can't wait for you guys to try this. This is powerful. I love this fenugreek seed. I never believe it until I try with my hair. So now you're gonna filter it or strain the water out. If you like, please don't throw the seed away. You can use it, blend it, and put olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, avocado oil on the fire. I will come and show that one later. And then you can make oil from it. So today is just the spray water, okay? How to make fenugreek sprayed water on your hair for massive hair growth. Wow, after that, just look. It looks a little bit slippery or slimy like aloe vera, but it is not. All the powerful ingredient has come out. Now you're gonna transfer it into your spray bottle. Any spray bottle of your choice, guys, you can use it, but please trust me, this is powerful. I mean, it is powerful. All my front hair, because I used to braid my hair myself, so the front comes out and I lose a lot of edges. But this fenugreek seed brought everything back. Next, you're gonna put your coconut oil, aloe vera oil, any oil of your choice. But for me, I'm using castor oil, so just a little bit of the tip. Now I'm gonna put in my lavender because it has scent. I've soaked it for 2 days, so there's scent in. But this lavender, it helps to take the scent away. Peppermint is another powerful ingredient in your DIY. If you put peppermint, the more you massage your hair or your scalp, it circulates your blood and it helps it to grow faster. Vitamin E, we all know vitamin E is the most important pill in our skin, for your body, for your face, for your hand, for your hair as well. You can take it with water or just put it in your DIY like how I'm doing. So I'm using 2 of vitamin E oil. Now you're gonna shake it slowly. Shake slowly. And then after that, you're gonna use any spoon, wooden spoon, soft spoon, anything, just to mix it, because you want everything to mix very, very well. Everything to mix so beautiful. Look at that. It is ready, and I can't wait to use it on my hair. I have braided my hair for 2 weeks because I say I'm using it for 1 month, guys. I've seen a result in front of my edges, and I'm so happy. So I want you guys to try this remedy. Try this remedy and you'll be happy like how I am happy. Okay, so now this is my hair is braid. You can see my hair has grown. Look at my front hair. Oh wow, I haven't come long time, but you guys can see, if you watch my video from beginning and you see my edges, you will know that my hair has grown length. So now I'm showing you guys how to apply it, and please don't forget to take your own time. Don't rush. You're gonna spray it under your hair. If you braid your hair or you've done cornrow, it's best to use it, because why? You can get it into your scalp in the line and you can massage it with your finger 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So I'm gonna leave you guys to see how I'm using it on my hair. I am done. That's all left, guys. That is all left. Don't forget your edges. Anytime you do DIY or you try something, please don't forget your edges. After that, just put your shower cap on so the heat can stay in. Okay, I'm going to bed, so I'm gonna leave it. You don't need to wash it out, but you can wash it if you want. But for me, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna spray it 2 weeks until the water is finished, then I can renew another one. If you love this video, please give it a thumb up, and I'll be happy for you to try and leave your comment below. Press the bell button for more video. Please, I'm begging you, like, share, and try this remedy. You will love it. Greatest DIY for hair growth for you. I love you guys all. See you guys later. Please don't forget to put it in the fridge for next use. Bye.